Hey guys, and welcome back. So today we're going to be making cheese board or a charcuterie board. If you're like me, then you love having a cheese board or a charcuterie board for a snack or for dinner. And these are really good sellers if you can find or source cheap enough boards, and they make great gifts if you just resin for fun. So here a customer has asked for a black and gold board, so I'm going to be making theirs and at the same time making a spare one to sell. It's as easy for me to make two as it is to make one, but it obviously saves time. So first thing first, I prep my boards. So one of my boards today I'm choosing to cover the back in masking tape and also around the base. This means that any drips from the resin will adhere to the tape and not to the board. And you can pick up the board really easily and turn it around. Even with resin in your hands, the resin won't get on the wood, just on the tape. So it does depend how messy you get. Like I say, I tried one with that and one without. I would say that it saves you some sanding at the end, but if you aren't messy, then skip this step. I also paint my boards in the main colour that I'll be using. The resin adheres to the paint just fine when it's dry, and it gives a good opaque base. But again, skip this step if you want to, or if you want to be able to see the wood a bit more through your resin. So now I have my material gathered. I'm going to be using a black pigment liquid, a gold mica powder and gold leaf. I have a blowtorch and a heat gun as well. So here are my boards side by side. The next step is super important, and that's to make sure that your boards are completely level. I literally use a level for this, it's that important. I use low viscosity resin, so it really does run. So without this, by the end, if you don't have your boards level, well, you may not even have any resin left on your boards. So now it's time to mix your resin and your colours. And now we're on to the real pour. Now this really is just a series of pouring and reshuffling and repouring and reshuffling. I always start by putting the colours down in a very vague kind of pattern, and then I just move it around as I like. I would say that gold really does disappear on any colour, so put down more than you would expect to. You can use your blowtorch to create patterns. I also just like doing little drops, that creates a nice effect as well. Just keep playing and keep adding. Nothing is ever ruined. You can always blow things around or add more resin so as to create different effects if you don't like something. So for the sides, just add resin as I am doing. It will drop off, but it will create a smooth side first. After you're happy with what you've done, you can wipe off any resin that has run to the front by using some alcohol and a wipe. So now we're going to leave this for 24 hours, add a second layer of clear resin. After that, we just have to remove our masking tape or any of those strips. Just use your normal sanding bit or nail files, etc., whatever you normally use. I always make sure to oil my woods afterwards, and then here we go, our finished product.